Our first stitch is the running stitch or straight stitch. This basic stitch is perfect for attaching a tunnel tape, decorative element, secure stitches. It's basic, but it works well for binding fabric layers together. Next, we have the zigzag stitch. It's an essential stitch to securing elastic as a first stitch. Adjust your machine settings as shown on the video. This stitch is great for attaching picot edge elastics to the fabric or lace as a first stitch. Watch my next video to see how to do it step by step. This zigzag stitch is used as a second stitch when attaching elastics. Adjust your machine settings to create a slightly wider zigzag for a delicate finish on the edges of your lingerie. This zigzag is tiny and tight, generally used for secure the straps or tunnel tape ends. This stitch works well for attaching elastic, sewing on trims or ribbons, and creating a flexible finish on fabric edges. A narrow zigzag stitch can be used as a replacement for an oblique or a slant zigzag stitch in certain sewing applications. This stitch allows the elastic to stretch without breaking the thread. It's essential for creating comfortable and snug-fitting lingerie, generally used as a second stitch when attaching elastics to the lingerie edges. An oblique zigzag stitch is a variant of traditional zigzag stitch but slants to one side. If your sewing machine doesn't have that specific stitch, you can often achieve a similar outcome using a narrow zigzag stitch being shown earlier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe for more lingerie crafting tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy sewing!